and Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for Harnett County, southwestern Johnston County, south central Wake County until 10 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain, mainly between Angier and Clayton. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, Doppler radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses.
It's a bad storm. Oh, it's my radios.
Flash flooding include Lillington, Garner, Fuquay, Varina.
Yeah, I activated my radios, so there are lots of flash flood warnings reported.
Bowie's Creek, Coates Crossroads, Lake Benson, Raven Rock State Park, Anderson Creek, and Timber Lake.
Yeah.
Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches
It is very
are possible
bad,
in
dude.
the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Harnett, Johnston, and Wake. Here is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service for the listening area.